Got my ratchet KIMO today. It comes with these amazing sockets and a reducer. It comes with a quick charge, 2 batteries, and the ratchet wrench itself. This is my first one, so let's get to it. The battery slides in the back. Got 2 clamps on the side that you can clip to renew the battery. Just a slight push. Just the handle. There's the show you where your battery's at, and it comes with a unique light just right there. With the convenient sockets and stuff that it comes with, it makes removing stuff easy. I got it because I'm a mechanic and I like to have tools that actually do what they say. So this right here just came today. We're gonna try to remove a bolt. So you snap it on right there, easy snap on, and depending on how once you match this lever right here, determines the speed. And this is how you reverse the head. So let's give it a try. Very impressed with the smoothness. Let's see, let's go the other way with it. Let me put this down for a minute. It's real easy to use, you guys. I was turning the wrong way. First time use. Fits easily on the bolts with the sockets it came with. And let's tighten this back down. That's a social. Wow. So as you see, I'm going to enjoy using this, and it comes in a nice case that locks the parts in. That was my first announcement of it, that the battery stays in, the charger stays in. You can flip it upside down, it stays in. The wrench nicely fits inside with the battery attached, and it's also snuggy too. So, hope this is useful to someone. And this is my first battery power ratchet, and look forward to taking some stuff apart and saving my hands from ratcheting and doing it the manual way.